This is real life. And we're not going to do any, hey guys, what's up? No, it's real life. Okay. And I know you probably at your wits' end and you're like irritated and discouraged and frustrated. And you're like, what am I doing with my life? We all have been there. So don't beat yourself up. Let this be the first step in the right direction of creating a comfortable life for you and your family. So we're gonna get right into this video. What's up? I am Kel'a. How are you? Hola, all that. I'm Kel'a. I'm a notary signing agent, also the founder and owner of Honest, Open, Transparent Girls Workshop. It's a nonprofit organization. I also have a cleaning business, but I'm not gonna talk about that because I'm not really into that anymore. So we're gonna get right into this video. Notary signing agents, mobile notary, however you wanna word it. This business is one of the best kept secrets ever, okay? I mean, absolutely ever. And I am going to share with you some great helpful ways to get started with becoming a notary signing agent. Y'all ready? Okay, because I got my laptop up. I got my notes. I even have some of my pending payments to show you that I'm really making money, and I really am proud of myself for putting myself in a position to be making this type of money and being able to have the flexibility to still work with my nonprofit organization and be able to have the flexibility with my daughter and her schooling, because we all know what the hell is going on up in here, okay? We teachers now, y'all. So, I love this song. I got my jazz in the background playing, and we're gonna get into it. Notary signing agent. Basically what we do is, or what I do is, and I'm only speaking from my experience and my perspective and the things that I've gone through. I've been a notary signing agent for 6 months now, maybe 7 or 8. I'm not counting off the top of my head, but, well, I am counting off the top of my head. Anyways, so what we do is we travel to the borrower who is either refinancing their home, buying, purchasing, selling a home. Sometimes I do debt consolidations. Sometimes I do, well, most of the time I do refinances and debt consolidations, and I stay in my lane with that. And that's just being honest and transparent. I stay in my lane because I know how to smoothly get through the process of a refinance like the back of my freaking hand. There's an order, there's a method to my madness, but I promise you we can be in and out within 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the borrower, because sometimes you have borrowers that do ask a lot of questions, like they did not see this paperwork 400,000 times. So, move it along. How do I become a notary signing agent? And is this for me? Honestly, this is how I look at stuff. Like I see a lot of videos of people like, this is not for you if you do this, if you want this, if you want, like, no. Like, at the end of the day, my girl Dana Chanel said it the best. It's a need-based business. This is a business. Would you rather have your own business? I really kind of want to add something right there. Or would you rather work for the man? And the man could be anybody, or the woman, whichever. Which one would you prefer? Me, I am not a person that's going to sit in an interview and tell you why I should work for you, or why you should hire me. I'm not begging for shit. So I would rather have my own business. Does that mean that this business is going to be forever? No, but this business can put me in a position to have other businesses that I actually like. For example, myself, hello. I have a nonprofit organization. I don't make any money with my nonprofit organization. So I need this to be able to support my nonprofit organization. And that's what it does. And then eventually, like right now, I'm about to purchase a vending machine. I want to eventually purchase real estate. And this notary job career is putting me in positions to be able to do things that I would have never been able to do because I was stuck at a 40-hour, 80-hour job, working for the man and crossing my fingers hoping for a raise in the first year, and the raise was 25 cents. So this is the reason why I say, no, it doesn't have to be forever. It could all be temporary. It could be your 5-year plan or a 2-year plan. But I promise you, you will make money if you just pay attention, okay? First thing is to do, go to nationalnotary.org, NNA.org, NNA.org. Yes, that's it. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you to a page that says National Notary Association with a number on the left-hand side. It's going to say, well, I'm in Ohio, so you pick your state. Whichever state you live in, pick that state, okay? Go to Become a Notary, okay? Once you do that, go to Get Started, okay? Once you do that, it will have you pick which one you want. Which one do you want? Once you click what you want, you place your order, and then you pay for it, and then you study and you take the test. Once you become a notary, you have to wait for your commission number and your commission expiration, your stamp, and once you get that information, then you'll go back to the same exact site, and it will say Signing Agent. Click on Signing Agent. Click on Become a Signing Agent. Or if you're already one like me, click on Renew as a signing agent. Someone is calling me and I'm going to decline it. Forgive me. It wasn't my daughter's school, so that's all that matters. Actually, was that money? Bear with me one moment. That was not money either. Okay. I literally, side note, have my signing agent. My dog is right there farting. I literally have the signing places that I do signings with and work with under money 1, money 2, money 3, money 4, money 5, money 6, money 7, yes, because that's what's calling. So, anyways, before I got distracted, once you become a notary, you're going to go to Become a Signing Agent. You're going to click on Become a Signing Agent. Then you're going to choose your signing agent package. Choose the one that you want. Once you do that, you'll be able to take the course and the test, and you have to get an 85 or above, I believe. Or is it 80? It might be 85. Shoot for the stars. And then once you become a signing agent, this opens all the doors for so many amazing things. It's that simple. A lot of people complicate things. Obviously, after you become a signing agent, you have to get insurance. And then you have to sign up for the platforms that you want to work with. And you have to market yourself. And you have to promote just like any other business. But I promise you, it's not going to be as hard as a cleaning business or any other business, because this is a need-based business. There's not a lot of signing agents where I live. I mean, even if it was 500 or 1,000, that is not a lot. I can work anywhere in Ohio. So, money. And even if it was a lot, it's just so many people are refinancing. So many people are selling and purchasing and flipping and doing so many different, and consolidating debt. Like, those are super easy. So my plan and my goals for this YouTube page is to put y'all on game and to be here and to be someone of color, of melanin, that looks like you, talks like you maybe. Maybe I don't, because I am from the suburbs. I don't know. But that really just is very transparent with you and straight to the point. And you can like it, you can love it, you can hate it, but just please like, subscribe, and share if you want to. Do the notification bell if you want to. It's up to you. And oh yeah, this is the money that's owed to me, but I'm going to cover up my companies, because what I plan on doing, and I'm just being all the way real, is I am going to mentor folks. So yeah, y'all gonna have to start paying for this. But this is the money that's owed to me. The ones that has a check is, oh, I ripped the other pages out, but the ones that have checks are the one that was paid. So I got like $925 on its way. Should be here tomorrow. And on a nice week, that should be your weekly. That should be the minimum of your weekly. You honestly, if you put yourself in a position and on these platforms and you sign up for all these title companies and stuff, you honestly should be making like $4,000 to $7,000 or $10,000 a month, like easily. So there's no reason why this doesn't work out for you, unless you just absolutely are an introvert. Although I'm an introvert, I do what I have to do for my family. And on top of that, like I said, I have other things that I'm working on and working towards. So you just have to have a goal in mind, and you just keep that goal in the back of your head, and you remember and you tell yourself what the fuck you working for. Okay? You're working for your family. You're working to get y'all out of debt. You're working to start another business. And what I plan on doing is sharing my experiences with signing agents, with this process with me trying to purchase a vending machine, with my nonprofit. I can also speak about my cleaning business. I can speak about parenting. I can speak about relationships. It's so many things, just life, that, you know, can be talked about and discussed. So I'm not going to limit myself on what this channel is about, but I definitely want to put people in position to earn a great income. And yes, you are going to have to invest in yourself, because I mean, the basic package here on the signing agent is $70, but you don't want that one. You know what I'm saying? Get the minimum, get the medium one, get the second one, which is $189. And then to become a notary, I want to say it's $132, but I can tell you, give me a moment, because we people want numbers, okay? So the standard is $176. So yeah, it's gonna be an investment, and obviously you have to get a printer and paper and toner and, you know, folders and things like that. And it is an investment, but this is what I say do. Take 2 checks if you're working. If you're not, DoorDash, Shipped, Instacart. There are so many things that you can do, and each week, pay for one thing at a time, and eventually work your way to looking up and you're a notary signing agent. So I have so many things that I want to just give to you all, and I hope that this was helpful. And I hope I shared a little bit about myself so that you know who I am and what I stand for. What I stand for is entrepreneurship, supporting Black businesses, supporting single moms, and putting people in position, because there's enough money for everybody. There's no reason why you should sit here and feel like you can't share things with people. Although it's a price to pay, you know what I'm saying? I ain't about to give you the whole blue book, but I give you bits and pieces. And if you feel like you need more information, then you can definitely reach out and we can talk about a consultation fee or something like that for sure. There are certain things that I will not charge for, like I have a nonprofit. So if you have questions about that, the next video will definitely be about starting a nonprofit. That's free game. You know what I'm saying? I got you, because that is something that I'm passionate about, and I'm not looking for income or money or anything from that. I'm also in the process of becoming a 501(c), which means I'm tax exempt for my nonprofit. So that's something that I want to share too with you all. And then that's free game. But this, no, you got to pay. You got to do it. You got to pay. So if you need more help or you have more questions that wasn't in this video, comment below. Maybe one of your fellow people will answer the question. If not, I got you. Not for free, but I got you. So please stay tuned. I'll have videos up weekly, maybe even daily. I don't know how I'm going to do this right now, but I'm feeling it. So energy is good, and we vibing. So it's Tuesday. Get this money Tuesday. Be thankful Tuesday. Be humble Tuesday, and have gratitude Tuesday. See y'all later.